Join me as I take on the challenge to get my skin glowing naturally in just 7 days. Can I really do it? Many people struggle with dull, lifeless skin due to factors like stress, diet, and pollution. We've all been there, waking up in the morning, looking in the mirror, and feeling like our skin is just lacking that radiant glow. It's frustrating, especially when we feel like we're doing everything right. But the truth is, our skin is a reflection of our overall health, and when we're not taking care of ourselves, it shows. Stress can cause inflammation, which leads to breakouts and dullness. A poor diet can deprive our skin of essential nutrients, leaving it looking dull and lifeless. And pollution? Well, that's just a given, isn't it? It's everywhere, and it's taking a toll on our skin. So, what can we do about it? The good news is that there are ways to combat these challenges and get our skin looking its best. It's not about spending a fortune on expensive skincare products or trying out the latest fad diets. It's about making simple, sustainable changes to our daily habits that will have a lasting impact on our skin. And that's exactly what we're going to explore in this video. We'll explore a variety of natural ingredients and daily habits that can enhance your skin's radiance, including hydration, nutrition, and skincare routines. One of the most important things we can do for our skin is to stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day helps to flush out toxins and keep our skin looking plump and supple. And it's not just about drinking water. It's about eating hydrating foods like cucumbers and watermelon too. When it comes to nutrition, it's all about feeding our skin from the inside out. Eating a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains provides our skin with the nutrients it needs to thrive. And then there's skincare, the fun part. We'll talk about some of my favorite natural ingredients that can help to brighten and even out our skin tone. Exfoliating is another key part of any skincare routine. It helps to remove dead skin cells and unclog pores, leaving our skin looking smoother and more radiant. And the best part is, you don't need to spend a fortune on expensive exfoliating products. There are plenty of natural ingredients that can do the trick, like sugar and olive oil. We'll also talk about the importance of getting enough sleep and managing stress. When we're not getting enough rest, our skin can look dull and puffy. And stress, well, we've already talked about how that can lead to inflammation and breakouts. The key to your glowing skin lies in a combination of these practices, and I'll share a specific 7-day plan that you can easily follow. It's not about making drastic changes to your lifestyle. It's about making small, sustainable changes that will have a lasting impact on your skin. And the best part is, you can start seeing results in just 1 week. So if you're ready to say goodbye to dull, lifeless skin, and hello to a radiant glow, then keep watching. To recap, you can achieve glowing skin naturally by following this 7-day plan and incorporating these tips into your routine. It's not rocket science. It's just about making a few simple changes to your daily habits. And trust me, the results are worth it.